Hello guys, we just had the big crash, now the big pile as always when it happened in Daytona. I'm here to work. You guys can have a little picture right there of the highlights of how what happened in the crash over there. See, you can see the store. Anyhow, it's gonna be a big crash with a Xfinity racing like a big pile in the middle pile racing there. They had a big crash, so you're gonna have the highlights. There's a lot of cars been damaged, and since the start of the race, it's just been like the crashes, and even Chase Briscoe just crashed with Tyler Reddick. He had a flat tire left front, and then they crashed, and then now they just pile again. There's like 20 some laps to go. It's gonna be probably more to come crashes, but that's you. I hope you guys can enjoy this one. So I hope you see this one, enjoy this crash, and this video, please. If you can you slow the music, please. I'm doing something. So you'll get to see it. What do you need, bro?
Cuervo Silver.
Say what?
Cuervo Silver.
Cuervo Silver?
Yeah. Slow motion, baby. Can't complain.
We're about to see it. There you go. Thank you. So enjoy the clip video, friends. It's about to start back again. So let's give me a like and share the video. Thank you very much.